By now you've probably heard that any successful business should be using a solid email campaign system. We're sure you've read some emails that are particularly good, and deleted a bunch more that weren't. Escaping the spam folder isn't as hard or expensive as you might think. At Paterno Group, we have the simple tools to help you get your message out to your audience attractively, professionally, and within your budget. We start by designing a template for your campaign. It's a digital letterhead that's branded with the look and feel of your company. You can even design your own if you're feeling creative. Plus, you can keep your communications fresh with extra templates for holidays and special promotions. Once you've got your template, creating a campaign is so simple it's practically mom-proof. You just drag and drop images and text to create a layout that suits your message. Your template keeps things looking uniform and professional looking. After you hit send, you'll be able to track your results in real time with our comprehensive world view that shows who opened your email and where. Use these stats to measure your success from one email to the next. We can even create email signups for your Facebook page and website to grow your subscriber list. It's not just our design and simple interface that sets us apart. Paying for your campaign is convenient and less expensive than you might think. We offer 2 convenient ways to pay. You can pay as you go, one campaign at a time, paying only when you send a campaign, or go with the unlimited monthly program if you plan on sending at least 3 campaigns in a month. Everyone's needs are different, so we'll build the system that's just right for you. Go with Paterno Group for your email marketing needs, and in no time, you'll be reaching your audience with the same well-designed quality content as the biggest brands. It's never been simpler or more cost-effective to send captivating content that'll keep your customers engaged and coming back for more.